Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the hardware and the app. Make sure you have 2 devices or 1 tablet that supports split screen. This saves time and avoids compatibility issues. Once done, update Roblox on each device so features match. Mismatched versions can prevent joining the same game. Next, enable split-screen gestures or developer multi-window in settings, because without that you cannot dock 2 app windows simultaneously. Now you're ready to start opening Roblox on each screen. Now open Roblox on both Windows and sign into either the same account or linked family accounts. This matters because roles and permissions affect joining. Once signed in, start the exact same game or create a private server so both screens see identical instances and latency is predictable. Then use the operating system's split-screen control to dock the 2 Roblox windows side by side. Adjust aspect ratio and touch zones so UI elements don't overlap. To finish, fine-tune performance. Lower in-game graphics and calibrate touch sensitivity so controls remain accurate when screens are smaller. If one screen lags, close background apps and switch to a stronger 5 GHz Wi-Fi or use wired hotspot to reduce latency. Network inconsistencies cause the majority of split-screen issues. If touch or audio stops working, restart Roblox on that window or reboot the device and rejoin the same private server. This usually resolves session desync quickly. Try it before changing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.